Renault has unveiled Converted by Renault, an innovative new program designed to simplify the process of purchasing and operating customized commercial vehicles. The initiative represents a major step forward for professional customers who require specialized vans and light commercial vehicles tailored to specific business needs. By integrating vehicle conversions directly into the Renault ordering process, the company aims to provide a more efficient, reliable, and customer-friendly experience. Commercial vehicle conversions play a vital role in numerous industries. From construction and logistics to healthcare and maintenance services, businesses often require vehicles that go beyond standard factory specifications. These can include refrigerated vans, tipper trucks, mobile workshops, crew cabs, and high-volume delivery vehicles. Traditionally, obtaining such specialized vehicles involved multiple suppliers, separate contracts, and different warranty arrangements, creating additional complexity for fleet operators. With the launch of Converted by Renault, the French automaker is seeking to eliminate many of these challenges. The new program offers customers a turnkey solution that combines the purchase of the base vehicle and its conversion into a single, streamlined process. Instead of coordinating between manufacturers, converters, and dealers, customers can now order their customized vehicles directly through Renault Dealer Network. One of the most significant benefits of the program is its simplicity. Customers receive a single invoice covering both the vehicle and its conversion. This approach reduces administrative work and makes budgeting easier for businesses of all sizes. In addition, Renault provides a unified warranty package that covers both the original vehicle and the conversion work, offering greater peace of mind and reducing the risk of disputes between suppliers. The program initially focuses on Renault's most popular commercial vehicle lineup, including the Renault Kangoo, Renault Trafic, and Renault Master. These vehicles are already widely recognized for their practicality, efficiency, and versatility. By offering factory-approved conversion options, Renault is expanding their capabilities and making them even more attractive to professional customers. The Renault Kangoo, for example, is a favorite among small businesses and urban delivery operators due to its compact dimensions and efficient powertrains. Through the Converted by Renault program, it can be adapted for specialized applications such as service vehicles or refrigerated transport. The Renault Trafic, positioned in the medium van segment, is often used by tradespeople, maintenance companies, and logistics providers. Conversion options can transform the vehicle into a mobile workshop, crew transport solution, or specialized cargo carrier, depending on the customer's requirements. At the top of the range, the Renault Master serves businesses that need maximum cargo capacity and flexibility. Its larger size makes it suitable for numerous conversion possibilities, including box vans, tippers, refrigerated units, and large volume delivery vehicles. A key advantage of the new system is the integration of conversions into Renault production and distribution processes. By coordinating conversion work from the outset, Renault can potentially reduce delivery times compared with traditional post-production modifications. This allows businesses to receive operational vehicles more quickly, helping them meet project deadlines and respond to changing market demands. Renault has also emphasized the importance of quality and reliability within the program. All approved conversions are carried out according to strict standards, ensuring compatibility with the base vehicle and maintaining high levels of safety and durability. This factory-backed approach can enhance long-term vehicle performance and support stronger resale values. Another important aspect of Converted by Renault is the company's collaboration with specialized conversion experts. Renault works closely with Customize, its dedicated subsidiary specializing in vehicle customization, as well as a broad network of approved conversion partners throughout Europe. This extensive ecosystem allows Renault to offer both standardized solutions and highly customized configurations tailored to specific industries and professional applications. The timing of the launch reflects broader trends in the commercial vehicle market. Industry studies indicate that a significant percentage of light commercial vehicles undergo some form of modification during their service life. As businesses seek greater efficiency and productivity, demand for purpose-built vehicles continues to grow. Renault recognizes this trend and aims to position itself as a comprehensive mobility partner rather than simply a vehicle manufacturer. The initiative also aligns with Renault's wider strategy of strengthening its presence in the commercial vehicle sector. The company has invested heavily in expanding its van lineup, improving electrification options, and developing new services for fleet customers. Converted by Renault adds another layer of value by addressing one of the most important requirements for professional users: customization. Looking ahead, the program could play a crucial role in helping Renault attract new business customers and retain existing fleet operators. By offering a simpler purchasing process, integrated warranties, reduced lead times, and factory-approved quality standards, Renault is creating a compelling proposition in an increasingly competitive market. Ultimately, Converted by Renault represents more than just a new service. It reflects a growing understanding that modern businesses need complete solutions rather than standalone products. By bringing vehicle manufacturing, customization, and after-sales support together under a single framework, Renault is making it easier than ever for professionals to obtain vehicles that are perfectly suited to their operational needs. As demand for specialized commercial vehicles continues to rise, this innovative turnkey approach could become a significant competitive advantage for the brand in the years ahead.